Hey guys, so today I'm going to be making chicken with rice. So here I have some thin chicken breast thawing out in this pan in the sink with cold water. Now I have this large mixing bowl that I'm just going to add the chicken into. It's kind of hard to do that with one hand. Okay, now I'm just going to give it an extra rinse to make sure they're clean. Make sure you wash your meat, you guys. Okay, here I'm just cleaning it. Now here's the chicken with no water. Here's my sister. Okay, I'm gonna be adding some seasoning salt, some parsley flakes. You guys can use whatever seasonings you want. Black pepper. Black pepper always makes me sneeze a lot. Old Bay. I'm just using random seasonings. And this adobo. And some of this dry rub. I really don't know the specific name. Okay, so here's a better glimpse of all the seasonings I used. Now I'm just gonna mix that together. Make sure all the pieces of chicken is coated evenly with the seasoning. Now here I have some teriyaki marinade. This one is with pineapple juice. I'm just gonna add a little bit of that into the chicken. Here's how it looks after it's all mixed together. Okay, now I'm gonna add some plastic wrap on top and put that into the refrigerator for about an hour. Okay, now here I have some olive oil that I'm going to put in a skillet. A good amount of that. Now I'm going to turn the stove on to 5.5. Here I have a pot and I have some rice here. To me, this is the best rice instead of the 1 minute rice in the bag. So I recommend this rice. Now I'm just going to put that into the pot and rinse it. Make sure to clean the rice because you guys see the water. You wouldn't want to eat that. So make sure to clean that rice. Pour out the water. Just rinse and drain the water as many times as you need until the water is clear. Washing the rice again. Okay, here's as clean as it got. I swear I washed the rice so many times, but the water is pretty clear. Now I'm just going to turn the heat on for the rice to 6.5. Here's the chicken after an hour in the refrigerator. I'm just going to take that plastic wrap off. Now I added some flour to the cutting board. Just put the chicken into the flour. I didn't season the flour, by the way, because the chicken already had enough of seasoning. Okay, so here's the piece of chicken, and I'm just gonna put that into the hot olive oil. Make sure you're greasy top before putting in your meat, or else it will get soggy. And I also forgot to add some butter, so I'm gonna add some butter to the rice. Here's the chicken. I forgot how long it was in the grease, but just cook it until it's brown. Okay, here I put the oven on warm to keep the chicken warm. while the other chicken is cooking. Here's the second piece of chicken. I'm just gonna put that into the grease as well. Here I have 2 pieces of chicken I'm gonna put this on because one piece of chicken was taking too long. Here it is. Like I said, I forgot how long it was in the grease. Just cook it until it's golden brown. Also, I don't have a wire rack to drain the grease, so I'm just using a paper towel. Putting in 2 pieces of chicken again. Now I'm coating some more chicken. The flour was getting everywhere. I should have never used the cutting board because the mess wasn't worth it. Here's how the rice is looking. Now I'm gonna put both of those pieces of chicken into the grease, just repeating the process. So here's the rice. I'm gonna be adding more butter to the rice. Just putting the lid on. Make sure to keep your lid on the pot while cooking the rice. Okay, here's the rice. And make sure don't stir the rice too often. Stir it about 1 or 2 times while it's cooking because it will get mushy like mashed potatoes. Here's the chicken. Also, I'm gonna blur out this part because I didn't want to show you guys my sauce. Felt that I should keep that a secret. So this part may be blurred out for a few seconds or a minute. Just know that I'm making my sauce. And you guys can't see that part. Okay, so here I'm gonna be making a hot sauce and a barbecue sauce. Okay, so I'm gonna be adding 1 piece of chicken. You guys, these look like pork chops. Adding that to the hot sauce and barbecue sauce. Okay, here's the one that was in the hot sauce. Now I'm just gonna cut that up. It was kind of hard to cut it up with one hand, but here's the final results. This was really good. I liked it.